Hello everyone. Uh, you have heard about encapsulation in PHP, Java, and C++, right? But did you know you can encapsulate HTML element too? Let me tell you about Shadow DOM, a concept that browser used to exactly that. Shadow DOM allows encapsulation of HTML and CSS, giving custom element their own isolated scope, perfectly for creating a reusable component. Let me tell you how. Okay, so here you can see this is the video it's running. Okay, here you can see there are some options: play, volume, setting option. When you are trying to inspect this, okay, click on it. Now you can see when you are trying to inspect, you are not able to see the that from how this play button is coming. It is just a volume button it is showing. I Okay, here you can see it's the iframe they are using. Okay, so let me show you that video. So this is a video tag only. We are not able to see how this button is coming. Okay, when you are trying to changing any CSS also, it will not be impact at here. How you can see that code also? So you have to go into setting, click on show user agent shadow DOM, click on it, close it. Now you can see you are able to see the shadow root user agent. When you are go inside this tree, you are able to see the complete code how it is working. Now you can see this is a play button. Now you can able to see. So here you can see that all the style it will be injected, like you can see sudo webkit web control media controller. It's a browser functionality they have created on uh, that shadow root. Similarly, if you want to create own custom element, how will you do? So for that I create a one repo. Okay, you can follow that, and also I mention what is shadow dom, application of shadow dom, what is the key feature is there, all the things mentioned in there. This main benefit is there, it cannot be overwrite the any css or any js if you are writing any pseudo code. Okay, so let me show you that index.js file. So here you can see we are extending the html element. Okay, and we are trying to attach a shadow dom. This is the class. Okay, we are extend their function, and where we are attaching the one div. Okay, and here you can see that element I have created here. You can see that is the div, my element with the name I have created. Inside that we are trying to create a div. When the element this element is called, okay, is defining in our html page, it will create a one div with the class name wrapper, that having a attribute with the wrapper, and that having a div contain the that test content will be hello shadow dom. Okay, what will be the style we are defining here? Okay, now you can see we are appending as a child as a css we are appending, and let me show you their output. Okay, just go there shadow dom. Okay, like you can see here there is only this element, there is no any styling, no any text content is there. What we are still able to see the text and their style. Here you can see when you are open this, you can check we add append the child as a style child, and their dip where the text content is available. Okay, if you are trying to do the some csa here, let me try background color. It will not any impact on the inside inner css. So it is more useful when you are trying to do a custom element. It should not be overwritten by the other css other style. So yeah, that's it about for today. Thank you.